Hey guys, I'm gonna say something. I don't know if you can hear this. I'm literally using English. So, if you can read what I'm saying, I'm gonna post a video on Minecraft. If I can, you will see my videos that there are new posts on uh, um my channel and my videos. Not shorts anymore, but I will post shorts. I'm going to post a Minecraft. You know what the version is? It 1.20. No, 1.2 version. The old Pocket Edition, I think. But yeah, I'm gonna try if my recording is working. Depends on I hope it works. I hope works. So yeah, wait. Um, I think I'm gonna post it in tomorrow like that or soon enough. Yeah. See you in the video, but I will not say anything because uh, the recording might crash while speaking. It's like the YouTubers. But yeah. Goodbye. See you in the video that I post. If I can try.